Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create column in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my Microsoft Word document and I'm going to show you a basic tutorial on how to make a column. Okay, if you want to create a column in Microsoft Word, we need to go to the Insert menu, and then we're going to select Table, and then here we can choose how many columns we want, and I'm going to select, for example, 5 columns like this, and just 1 row. And now the column has been created guys, and you can change the size of the column like this. It's up to you. And then if you want to add more columns, you can select the columns you have right now, and then you can go to the table layout and you can insert column. Okay, you can insert column left or column right like this. I'm just going to select insert column left. Okay, and if you want to just add 1 column, you can select 1 column like this and then select insert column left or right like that. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create column in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.